Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Take a piece of paper and fold it into two equal halves. Press well. Now fold to the center. Press well again. Then from the other side. Now fold the triangle from the bottom. Now from the other side. Open it. Now fold according to the crease. Press well. Then from the other side, the same step. Now fold the top. Equally. Press well. Now fold a triangle corner. Now from the other side. Now fold from the top. Press well. Turn it. Now from bottom to the top. From the other side, press well. Now fold it into a leaf type shape. And then equal it. From the other side, again leaf type shape and then equal. Open and fold inwards. As shown, and from the other side the same step. Open and fold inwards. Now fold into two triangles. Then from the other side, the same step. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel for more origami tutorials. Okay, now fold into a flower type shape as shown. Nearly done. Now from the third side and then the fourth one. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.